This AI agent in n8n can generate viral LinkedIn posts and images like these, or this one, or even this one. So let me show you exactly how it works and how you can do it yourself or for your brand. So everything is based on a schedule. So every day at 9 a.m. it's gonna run this workflow so it can generate these LinkedIn posts for you on the go, including the image, okay? Then we're gonna be using something called Get All Ideas, which is basically a spreadsheet. And what it's gonna do, the AI agent will reference the previous ideas, making sure that we don't create similar or non-unique ideas. So this makes sure that the idea and the post and the image is always unique in terms of headline and the content itself. Then we're using basic JS node to basically join all the IDs and content from the spreadsheets right here. And then we're gonna send everything to the content creator AI agent right here. And we're simply instructing the agent to create a LinkedIn post, giving the reference and a couple of prompts to kind of guide the agent in terms of how we want to do it. And so it generates everything on brand, right? So in my case, a agent understands that I am in a AI or n8n or automation niche, but you can always go ahead and change the workflow so it maybe does something e-commerce, DTC or B2B or whatever the niche you are in. So you can always go ahead and adjust it to make sure that it's going to be content that's going to be generated on brand for you or for a client. For the AI model, we're using Claude. We're using a web scraper from Tally, making sure that we have access to the most fresh and the latest data for content. And then we're parsing everything into a specific output so we can send that off to the workflow. Then we're doing something cool. We're using a image reference that it's going to be used by OpenAI image generation node right here. So a reference is basically an image right here. If I view that, basically what it does, it gives a reference to the AI model. So the AI images always are on brand and utilize the same design system. So if I show you these ones right here, you can see that they are different, but at the core, they are very similar. So basically we are doing sort of a branding or guidance. Then we're sending everything to the OpenAI image node, converting everything to a base and binary, and then the binary gets converted into a data, which is the image, and then we're gonna save the image into a Google Drive, and finally, we're gonna post everything onto a spreadsheet right here. If you wanna have a full breakdown and tutorial of this video on workflow, then make sure to check out my YouTube channel.